The distress signal SOS can be transmitted using Morse light in accordance with Colregs Annex 6 and the International Code of Signals ICS. Transmitting SOS with Morse light. Number 1. Understanding Morse code. The distress signals SOS is Morse code is represented as 3 dots, 3 dashes and 3 dots corresponding to the letter S and O. Number 2. Using light source. A powerful flashlight or any other light source that can be produced short and long flashes of light is required. Number 3. Flashing the signal. To transmit SOS, flash the light source 3 times quickly, dots followed by the 3 longer flashes, dashes, and the 3 more quick flashes, dots. Number 4. Repeating the signal. Repeat the SOS sequence several times to ensure it is received by potential rescuers.
Receiving SOS with Morse light. Observing the light source, look for a light source that flashing in a pattern. Number 2. Recognizing the SOS pattern, identify the 3 dot, 3 dash, 3 dot sequence of flashes. Number 3. Confirming distress. If the light source is flashing the SOS pattern, it indicates a distress situation. Number 4. Taking action. Contact the appropriate authorities, example like Coast Guard, Maritime Rescue Coordination Center, to report the distress signal and provide information about the location of the light source. It's important to note that the use of any distress signal, including Morse light, should only be done in genuine emergencies. False distress signals are illegal and can result in serious consequences.